Right now we're having breakfast, continental breakfast at the restaurant Ariel, and we are at the hotel little restaurant upstairs having breakfast. Continental stuff, but delicious fruits, pineapple, papaya, yum. Fran. Salude a Ariel por lo menos. Hi.
Hi Ariel.
Ese que mal queda, dígale hi Ariel.
Good morning.
Good morning. We have a nice pool in the hotel. And it's a nice little swimming pool. Big enough, and the water was warm, so we were swimming last night. We were kind of laying there in the pool. Just chilling, just chilling. I love all the vegetation here, so pretty. Hey, there's a tree, Ariel. Those are papayas. See that palm tree there? Those are papayas. Betsy and her tattoo. Danny making toasting bread. ¿Qué le pasa? What's up? This is all the papaya events.
Good morning, Costa Rica.
Good morning, Costa Rica. What's up? Chicos.
We're going to the beach.
Everybody, we're going to the beach.
We're going to the beach. Careful that you don't get
hi.
murdered. Go. Hi.
Hi. ¿Está grabando?
We're going to the beach.
Buen día.
Ya que ayer que fuimos nosotros, yo no vi tantos gringos por la calle. Llovió mucho ahí en la calle.
Seguro se vienen por aquí. Cuidado porque hay caca por todos lados.
Mom's really concerned about the caca.
Yeah, don't step on it, especially the horse shit. There's all kind of horse poop everywhere.
Hi, Emma. Hi.
She's concerned about the poop, the ants, the flies.
The animals.
Mire, horse shit.
¿Ustedes no dan crema?
Sí,
Es
para
que me
mí.
chimé ayer aquí.
Yo tengo cremita, ahí le doy ahora. Es que sabe que más.
Demasiado lindo.
Sí.
Vea el color.
Gracias, Genesis. I almost stepped on poop.
Es lo que le digo, guay, que por todos lados hay.
She's holding my hand. She loves me. So when we win the lottery, we're going to buy this lot.
Huge.
Dame a mí el
And only how many feet from the beach, huh?
Just a few feet from the beach.
Watch your shit, watch your shit. Watch your shit.
Grande la salida.
Sí, ¿verdad? Cortamos el camino de allá, Gaby. Aquí tenemos
This is Costa Rica.
Toda la playa para nosotros. Qué linda a la orilla, ¿no?
Sí.
Estaba feliz.
Lili. Hola. ¡Qué rico! ¡Woo! Voy a bajar mis pies.
This is gorgeous. I love it. I love it.
There's my baby floating in the water. She's pretty far from here, so this is pretty cool. These phones are pretty cool. I could actually see her. Pura vida, Mae. Oh, she got up. She was sleeping, taking a nap in the ocean. It's getting pretty late, guys, so the water's getting pretty high, pretty close to where our chairs and everything used to be. There's Fran. There's still quite a few people here. And this is our last day here. Yeah, oh my God, I don't want to go. There's that, I think. Or not, I don't know, I can't see her anymore. Yeah, that's her. She's way back there. Zoom away so you can see the beauty of this beach. And you enjoy to see the mountains. And there were some rocks that were here and the kids were snorkeling by the rocks. But they are covered now by the water because tide is high, and that's what happens. Anyway, this is, like I said, conchai, which means conchas are shells. There's so many beautiful shells. The whole thing, there's no sand, there's just shells. It's pretty cool. If I can videotape it. Well, they're wet right here. And there's the water. See that? See the shells, you guys? How gorgeous this beach. It doesn't hurt. It feels a little bit different than the sand, but they are shells. and it's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. And there's vendors. Vendors are selling all kind of good stuff.
Of course.
Oh my God, hola.
You look so beautiful.
Let's go.
Goodbye, Playa Conchal.
Sí, ¿verdad? No volvemos. No sé quién es.
Until next time, Playa Conchal.
¿Mis lentes? Okay.
Ariel, Mom's in trouble. Why are you in trouble, Mom?
Because that's my second
You're
one
in
of the whole
trouble, Winnie the Pooh.
I'm always in trouble.
No, I don't know.
Dígalo, dígalo, mami, dígalo. Mami, dígalo. Dígale, dígale.
Ariel.
Dígale,
No me veo por dicha.
Dígale, Ariel.
Ariel.
Ajá.
Hi. Ariel, tengo my pocket
My
lleno
hot
de
pocket.
conchas, my hot pocket lleno de conchas por todo lado. ¿Oíste? Mi hot pocket.
Se va a morir la risa.
She says she has shells in her hot pocket, Ariel, just in case you missed that.
A lot of no. The whole beach is full of hot. Dígale. No. You can take me as I go.
Trying to get the surfer, not you. ¿Quién la
Of
invitó?
YouTube. I am in Costa Rica.
¿Quién la invitó? Yeah, who invited you? We're trying to get the
Who
surfer.
invited me? Myself. Thank you very much. Beautiful evening. I feel like doctors. I hurt myself very much.
We've got to stop meeting like this, you guys. We just have to stop meeting like this. Hi guys, how's it going? It's late at night and I haven't filmed anything all day, but you guys have been enjoying all of the great footage that Yvette has. So thank you to Yvette for filming a lot of her beach extravaganza. I'm going to Danny's house where we're gonna party. Ooh, chills. We're gonna party like it's 1999, aka we're gonna watch Harry Potter. Here, I finally got the complete 8 film collection. Got it on Blu-ray because it was cheaper on Blu-ray than it was on DVD. Isn't that weird? But yeah, so I got the whole complete 8 film collection, and we left off on Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, so that's the one we're gonna watch today. And yeah, Haley should be there. Danny will be there because it's her house, and I brought ice cream. There we go. Harry Potter time. Oh. There you go. Now the car's in drive. Alright. So the reason I haven't been filming today is because I've been doing a lot of stuff with my dad. It again has to do with those wires that were running through my house. There are no wires running through my house anymore. None. Last time I got rid of one of the wires, today I got rid of the other wire. So that's what I've been doing pretty much. Hope you guys are enjoying the footage of Yvette at the beach. That beach looks super cool with all like the shells. So I don't know if you guys could hear her in yesterday's video, but all of the ground, the whole beach is all shells. There's no sand, which, you know, sand is just really like broken down rock when the water passes over. For you guys who don't know about science, when water passes over rocks, it disintegrates, and that's why sand is the way it is because it's water that's been passed over it for, you know, God knows how many years, whatever, and then it turns into sand. And so that beach is not rocks, it's all shells. That's a green light, you guys can tell by the color bouncing off my face. Anyways, so yeah, it's all just shells, and I thought that was really cool. I wonder what that feels like. I'd have to ask Yvette and my mom, or if any of you guys have been to a beach similar like to that. Yeah, I don't know. I imagine that it might be a little rough on your feet, but it's probably gotta feel good too. Yeah, anyways, all right, I'm off to Danny's house. I better stop vlogging and driving.
Hi guys, we're eating dinner finally after being in the ocean and the beach all day.
You look like a lobster.
Yeah, I am a lobster. I'm so burnt. But anyway, comiendo pizza en Costa Rica, qué rico. Pura vida.
Hola.
Hi.
Danny,
There's another lobster.
I got Stanley.
Hi.
Alright, thanks for watching this video, guys. I basically came home after the movies. After the movie, we only watched one. And then I just went to sleep. I'm still feeling iffy. I'm trying to hang in there. I am telling myself I am not sick. But it's getting tough. Sorry for not filming a lot. But I figured all the good stuff that happened in Costa Rica. So there's no point in me like skipping through and like putting my boring stuff in the middle of it all. So hope you enjoyed the Costa Rica footage. I'll see you guys later. Bye.